In this question, it is given that let S be the set of all functions f takes the interval 0 to 1 to R which are continuous on closed interval 0 to 1 and differentiable on open interval 0 to 1. Then for every f in S, there exists a C belonging to the open interval 0 to 1 depending upon f such that you have to find the correct choice. When he has told depending upon f means according to him the value of C depends upon the function. But I will say this is a wrong question because according to the question, for any function f with domain as closed interval 0 to 1 to R, one of these condition is surely satisfied. But it is clear that if I take a constant function, that is say fx equal to say 4 and domain as means for every value of x from 0 to 1 the value of fx is 4. For this function, for every value of x, f dash x will be 0, therefore f dash c will be 0, and because in this case this is also 0 and this is also 0, 0 less than 0 is not possible, therefore a becomes wrong choice. Similarly, in these two cases also, right hand side is 0, left hand side is also 0, 0 less than 0 is again not possible. In this case, this is a positive quantity and this is 0, again wrong, and B is wrong because of the reason I'm going to explain. According to question, for any function f with domain as 0 to 1 and codomain R, there is a point C belonging to the open interval 0 to 1 such that this condition is true. Say I take this function. Clearly this point will be 1 comma f1. Whichever point C I take on x-axis, this point will be C comma fc. This thing clearly denotes the slope of this line and f dash c denote the slope of tangent at this point. Whichever point I take on x-axis, for all these points it is not possible to find any point such that slope of the chord and slope of tangent are same. And because we have found a function for which this condition is not being satisfied, hence I will say this is also wrong choice, because according to question, for any function for which domain is this and codomain is this condition will be satisfied. Therefore I will say B is also wrong.